Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Salini and I am from Bihar and I help you to speak English fluently with confidence and without any hesitation. Yes, my English is not that much fluently, but still I love to speak my broken English. I love my broken English. It's okay. It gives me confidence, it teaches me a lot. It helps me to identify my mistakes and I feel proud. So if your English is also broken, don't feel shy, start speaking. And I just want to motivate you. So guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about self-acceptance. Okay, I'm going to explain this topic in English. What is self-acceptance? So everything about self-acceptance in just my broken English way. Okay, so let's start. So guys, what is self-acceptance? So actually, the way we say I'm okay the way I am, with my good English, bad English, broken English, and English. The way I speak, it's good. It is self acceptance. Okay. The way you are, you accept yourself. Most of my viewers tell me, ma'am, my English is very bad. I make mistakes. People will laugh at me, they judge me. You know, nobody speaks perfect English on day one, not even me. I already told you my English is broken. I don't know why we don't accept ourselves. You know, we compare. We see someone on YouTube speaking fast and we feel small that oh my god, they are speaking so well. I'm not like that. But you should know that person also started from zero. You are seeing their day 1000, not their day one. राइट हो सकता है डे वन में उनकी भी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं होगी, उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करके प्रयास करके ट्राई करके देन वो अपनी फ्लुएंसी को इतना अच्छा कर पाए. सो गाइज, मैं इंग्लिश के बीच बीच में हिंदी भी घुसाऊँगी बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू माई इंग्लिश इज़ ब्रोकन. इट्स आई एम ट्राइंग बट my goal is to convince you what I am saying. Okay, it doesn't matter I am speaking in इंग्लिश और हिंदी. अगर मैं इंग्लिश ही बोल रही हूँ और आपको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा तो इट डजेंट मैटर. ओके, सो बीच बीच में हिंदी इज़ ओके. ओके, सो या सो गाइज, ऑल्सो इन सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस में मैं आपको ये भी बोलना चाहूँगी. वी थिंक इफ़ आई से रॉन्ग पीपल विल जज मी. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन. बट मिस्टेक्स आर प्रूफ दैट यू आर ट्राइंग. you know and you also know silent people never make mistakes. Or also they never learn. If they will not make mistakes, how they will learn, right? Also, we wait to be perfect. We don't accept ourselves that it's okay, we are not perfect, it's okay. We wait that when we will get perfect, then I will start speaking. We think that first I will learn full grammar, then I will speak. And that day never comes because perfection is a lie. So guys, we don't accept ourselves. I want to tell you this self acceptance is very important in order to learning anything, not only in English. Whatever you learn, self acceptance is important. You need to say my English is not perfect but it is progressing. Okay, every day say in the mirror, say in front of mirror that I am progressing, I am improving, I am trying, and yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English. Okay, say these lines. Say positive lines to yourself and accept yourself. Accept your broken English, accept your bad English, no matter what. Right? It's okay, you make mistakes, accept it. It's okay. And good morning. You say good morning. Yeah, it's easy, but you said you learn. Then clap for yourself. That yeah, I said good morning. Wow, I learned this. Wow. You know, and guys, broken English plus confidence is greater than silent plus perfect grammar. If you are silent or if you are learning grammar, it It is not going to teach you anything, but it's okay. Your English is broken, but still you are speaking, you are learning something, you are progressing, you are improving. Understand? This is what I want to say. And I read somewhere the world respects people who try, not people who hide. Okay, the world respects people who try, not people who hide. So, guys, lastly, I want to say God made you different. Your voice, your speed, your accent, it's yours. Don't copy others. Just accept yourself. And when you accept yourself, your fears goes away. And when goes away, your English comes out automatically. So guys, from today, stop saying my English is bad. Just start saying, yeah, my English is in progress. I'm improving. And accept yourself as you are. You are just enough the way you are. And the day you accept yourself, the world will accept your English too, your voice too. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So please, before ending this video, just say yes, I love myself, I accept my broken English, and I will speak whatever happens. I will speak, I will try, and I will never give up. So this is what I want to give you a message and self-acceptance, about self-acceptance. So today I choose this topic, self-acceptance, and I want to give you this message. I hope you like. And yeah, my English is broken, I know, but still I am trying, and I want to motivate you. Please, you also try and keep progressing, keep going. All the best. Bye.